Welcome, everybody. This is the weekly agenda for Biblical Traditions, week of 11/9. So, we have been working hard on our prophetic imagination presentations, and we will have today, Monday, to work on them, or if you have 6th hour, Tuesday. But those presentations will be then on Wednesday and Thursday. You will be presenting from home. So you will have to share your screen and give your presentation to the class virtually. And then that will happen on Wednesday or Thursday. If there's any that we need to make up, if we don't finish them all, we'll have a couple of them on Friday. But if not, we'll introduce the royal tradition on Friday. So what do we have going on? Prophetic Imagination, Research Project and Presentation, 100 points. That's due. And then the Exodus essay is due Friday. If you have any questions on that, you should ask when we meet for our Zoom classes this week. I have spelled it out pretty clearly. So basically, you're just reporting on what we did in class in lieu of a test, right? So this is you condensing that information. I have where you can find all of that information at the bottom of that question, and that, of course, is on campus. And the 4 review questions that have been assigned individually, you can turn those in online. The information of those will be in your presentations, though. All right. Look forward and I'm excited to see your presentations. Have a good week.